Here we have an 8.5 by 24 race ready enclosed car hauler. It's got the black .030 screwless metal. That's the thicker metal, and the screwless doesn't pull the metal tight like it does with the screws. Gives it a smoother look. You got racing pit lights on the outside, as well as speakers for the radio. Loading lights on the rear. The extra wide ramp door. Double tail lights. It's got 5,200 pound torsion axles. This is the spread axle package. Gives you a smoother ride. One exterior receptacle. 48-inch wide double side door. Three-piece steel tongue tubing. LED lights all the way around and inside. Got the radio up top as well. Interior completely finished out. We have the carpet on the walls, 36 inches. Aluminum tread plate covering the fender boxes. Has a rubber coin floor. I like that over the rubber tread plate floor. It's a little bit easier to clean the rubber coin floor. You get 4 D-ring standard in the trailer. You got 6 extra inches of height, so plenty of headroom in here. AC unit, it's a 13,500 BTU AC with heat. Got LED puck lights in the ceiling, 4 of those, and then LED strip lights in the coves, as well as 4 more speakers on the inside. The interior is aluminum on the walls and ceiling, and then the red trim. You have base and overhead cabinets across the front, the half closet and the toolbox. And your fuse box up there out of the way. A little workbench area. And light over top of the workbench area underneath the cabinets. Radio system. Battery to run the LED lights. And then this L section of the countertops is where your generator is. The generator compartment is sealed from the inside, so you just get to it from the outside. Nice little thumb locks on the doors. Easily sliding drawers on the toolbox. Step well to get in and out easy. And this here will be your generator compartment. Has a slide out to where you can slide the generator in and out. And louver vents. All blackout trim, 8.5 by 24 enclosed car hauler.